In this video, we will discuss the USA criteria to obtain Ethics Committee approval for clinical research. The first requirement is for the risks of the clinical trial to be minimized. This could be done by not exposing participants to unnecessary procedures and having a consistent study design. Next, the risks to the participants should be reasonable considering the benefits. The Ethics Committee should evaluate only the risk from research procedures. The participant population selected for the study should be adequate for the research purposes. Researchers will seek consent from the participants or their legally authorized representatives. In some emergency situations, consent could be obtained afterwards. The Ethics Committee could waive the requirement of written informed consent in some cases where there is a minimal risk and the participants are not exposed to any procedures. The research plan will have provisions for monitoring and data collection which will ensure participants' safety. The research plan will also make sure participants' privacy and data confidentiality is maintained. In case where the participants are vulnerable, for example, children, people with disabilities and others, the Ethics Committee has to verify that safeguarding is in place and rule out coercion. When the clinical trial involves children, it should take into account the risk and benefit from the research and if the children group is able to provide assent. The consent of one of the parents will be sufficient to allow children to participate in research. The ethics committees have different review timelines according to the risk in the clinical trial. Studies that involve minimal risk could qualify for expedited review. Understanding the Ethics Committee's criteria and expectations is important for the design of the clinical trial. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact us for more information.